Are you excited, Go? Are you excited? Sorry, guys, I don't have a voice, so we're gonna keep this short and sweet. Here's a montage of Project Rackenstein's restoration. Let's go, Go.
Took some losses through the process, had me furious. But I got eyes on the vision, can't get delirious. Fall in love with the game and then you marry it. I think I married it. This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah, this the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up.
Yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like, bitch, I'm really him. Hold up, look, walking this bitch like, hey. Yeah, I'm really him. Talking my shit like, hey. Bitch, I'm really him. Don't believe me? Come and see me. Got 3 wishes from my genie. Now I'm on your local TV. Y'all don't talk.
Are you excited, Gump? Are you excited? Do you like how it turned out? I love it too. It's been a blessing to take on this car. Sorry about the voice again. As always, I encourage you guys to get outside your comfort zone and be just like Gumpy with his ball. Get out there. Feed dreams, start fears, y'all.
This is evidence he's not always a dick. See that? You did something fucking pretty awesome with that.
On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know.
Here for the director. And we'll take a look at this. Next effort, Evo, and next effort, ECP.
Mike, you started a trend. Both you Mikes. First pass, I guess you technically made it on the track, kind of. Wouldn't shift out of second gear. We broke down at the end of the track. Felt good to get out there. The car built absolutely no boost and pushed right through the brakes, but first pass, man, in the car, I feel a little emotional almost. As dorky as that sounds. But fucking feels good to be out here, man. Let's fucking go, baby.
Yeah, just got off the phone with my mama, yeah, she proud of me. This one for the ones who lost a vision, yeah, they died of me. This one for the ones who got on late, they been crying to me. But it's still the same ones in the frame, nothing changed.
Up here in Harley. Congrats. Alright, next up we have Jeremy Miller, 2015 Ford.
Qualified with a 12:13, left lane 12:16. So again, here we go. Neither one of them did a burnout, both of them all-wheel drive. Top bulbs. Right lane in first. The battle of the all-wheel drive. We got 4 distance first. Battle for that Trailblazer. 742 light to a 309 in the right lane, and that's all she wrote.
Fucking yeah.
Right lane goes 12:18, left lane 12:69, almost a full second your margin of victory there.
Woo!
I promised y'all I wasn't gonna be denied, baby. I promised you. Are you fucking kidding me?
So much curving on my critics like I heard you, so what? You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. Tally all the I ever gave on my head. Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. We don't give a that's what they don't understand. I'm back again like flu season, I broke records while loose leafing. I'm coming down my roof, leaving, don't give a I don't care. Did the by my lonesome, no wonder now I'm on one. No shortcuts on that long run, all I really want is my share. Get him, I got him, I told him it's nothing. In the discussion, all them feelings, I throw all my pain on percussion. It's disgusting, I hear them bragging about that they did, and it do not move me, not in the least. They ain't been dropping no seeds in the soil, but swear that you on my spot at the feast. I've been on go mode, show. Charlie Collins, the 97.
He's gonna run 11 for.
This Mitsubishi. Harley Town for your race car. Mitsubishi. Oh, hello. I didn't know we had a celebrity here. What's your name? Guppy? Oh my God. Enjoy this moment. This is what it's about. That's damn cute. I don't care who you are. That's adorable. Please tell me you got the picture with the dog looking at you. Trophies you taking home today, Harley? You taking a race car and show car trophies? It's because of the pupper. It's because of the pupper. Yeah. Yep. Congratulations. All right, moving on to best import truck. I got two categories for trucks and SUVs. We're going to start with import truck SUV. Who doesn't love a good?
Yeah, that's my bad, but I can't stay for too long. I gotta go. I grab my bag and hit the dash. Yeah, adios. I drop the clutch and slam the gas, and it's by my nose. If you're not first.